They're not.
I prefer it.
It's coming together. I've got all the things. I've just mentioned the front now, and the front wheels are on. I've just got to put the
2 weeks ago.
Really?
Oh no! Oh!
So the yellow one over there is getting close because that's a Commodore, but it's not a Tirana. Not the front.
Must have two.
Sigue los 90.
This is a bit.
Look like mud, bad parts.
Stay with us, guys. We're just getting the PA system under control. If you did miss awesome cars here already today, plenty of bright smiles and beautiful faces too, which is lovely to see. And we're in for an epic morning. Guys, a couple of little housekeeping things for you. First and foremost, you might know that there's a few QR codes bouncing around the venue today, one of which is for the People's Choice Award. You can vote your favourite car of the day, and we're going to award somebody with a nice little trophy at the very end of the day. Secondly, the other QR code is for your chance to win $20,000.
Remembrance, and then we go. Then video. Oh, hang on, this is my.
Sorry, mate, you go for we're going to stand in top of people. We'll stop. No, I went past them. You weren't there.
It's cut
Or the inside's gone, anyways.
Yeah, yeah.
Have a look at the.
These guys will be informing. I think they like run out of studio.
See, you see me don't take much photos of like exotic cars. Like